Hey guys, this is Express Graphics, so today we'll be creating this design, with this cool gradient using Pixellab. Open Pixellab. Set the background color to black. Then I'll be importing this picture of a hand holding a phone. We'll be using it in our background. Link to this image and other resources will be left in the description so you can follow along. Go to Color Filters, set the saturation to -100 and the brightness to -100 so it blends with the background. I'll import my logo placed on a white background and reduce its brightness to -100 to also blend it with the phone screen. I'll leave the saturation at 0 so it doesn't lose its color. Or create a square and set its color type to gradient. I will leave one side of the gradients to be black and the other side of the gradient to be transparent. I'll click OK to effect what I have done. I'll place it at the left-hand side of the screen opposite the picture and I will use it to cover the remaining part of the screen. I'll adjust its size also and copy about 3 to 4 times and position it in the same place till I can no longer see the background at the left side of the screen. Or create another square and set its color type to gradient and I will leave one side of the gradient to be green and the other side to be transparent. You can do the same thing I'm doing on my screen. But before that I'll duplicate my black square again. Follow what I do on the screen to make it a bit darker. Now create the green gradient square as I said and place it opposite the black side. Then duplicate the black square again and position as I'm doing to make the sides darker. Now we have our background. If you aren't following, then enter your video setting at the top right of this video and reduce the playback speed to make my actions slower so you could follow. You can also leave comments to let me know what your challenge is. Now that we have our background, let's create our header text. This design is for a mobile graphic design tips Instagram post, so that will be my title. I'll be using the font type Mojave Medium and I'll increase its size and set the line spacing to -28 and letter spacing to -2, and then position it. I'll create a new text and put my name Express Graphics and then set its fonts type to Montserrat Regular. Reduce its size, position it and give it a letter spacing of 17. Now I'll bring in my icons. I get my icons from flaticons.com. I'll leave a link to it in the description. I'll import all the icons I need and place them with the necessary text beside them. Follow along and you can make changes too. Now I'll activate grid lines so I can align all my items correctly. This is important for every graphic design work you do. Follow along to see how I go about this. Now that's all. Let's save our work as a project so we can get back to it anytime we want in our Projects tab. Then also save it as an image and a JPEG file with ultra quality. You can check your gallery or photos after this to see your project. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments section what project you'd like me to do with Pixellab, or you can reach out to me on Twitter or Instagram at Express the Brand or Express Graphics. Kindly like, share and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Till next time.